What's up, YouTube? Alright, I got a big announcement, but I'm trying to keep it on the down low because my wife doesn't know. And she pretty much said if I buy another fish tank, I'm going to be living in it. So I'm trying to keep this on the down low, but I got a big announcement. So get ready, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm in my garage, and look what I picked up on Craigslist last night. That is well, my garage is a mess, but can you guys see this all right? It's a 150-gallon Reef Ready tank. It's a mess right now, but get ready because we're going to build this thing. It's going to be sick. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and follow along with this build. My buddy Nano Guy 227 is going to come over and help build this thing. But like I said, my wife said, if I buy another fish tank, I'm going to be living in it. So we'll see. But it came with this homemade sump. I'm not really sure I'm going to use it. It's like, it looks like about a 50-gallon, but it's only like 15 inches tall. So I'm not really sure. I got to check the quality of that thing. That's a mess too. And he threw in this plumbing. I got to steal $200 for this tank. So I couldn't pass it up. So I risked it. But give me a little time because I got to break the news slowly. My wife hasn't come into the garage yet since last night, so when she sees it, I'm guessing she's gonna flip out. But anyway, hit that subscribe button and follow along for the adventure. But give me a little while to get this thing started because I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'll let you know. All right, man. Thanks for watching. Later.